When we think of dangerous animals, we often picture fierce predators like lions, tigers, or sharks. But some of the deadliest creatures on Earth aren't the ones with sharp teeth or strong jaws. They're the tiny ones that can't even be seen coming. We'll explore 15 of the most dangerous animals in the world. Each one has its own unique way of causing harm to humans. But before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more animal videos. Wolves are pack animals that live in North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. They are natural hunters and prey on animals like deer, elk, and bison. While attacks on humans are rare, wolves can become dangerous if they are hungry, feel threatened, or are infected with rabies. Rabid wolves are particularly aggressive and may bite humans. Wolves kill by biting the neck of their prey, and their sharp teeth can cause serious injury or death. Most human deaths from wolves occur in areas where their natural habitat overlaps with human settlements. Each year, around 10 people die from wolf attacks, but these events are uncommon. Leopards are stealthy, solitary predators that live in Africa, parts of Asia, and India. They are smaller than lions and tigers, but are very strong and fast. Leopards hunt mainly at night and are known for their ability to silently stalk their prey. They usually target smaller animals like deer and monkeys, but they can attack humans, especially in areas where people and wildlife live close together. Leopards are extremely strong and can drag their prey into trees to eat. They kill with a powerful bite to the neck or by using their sharp claws. About 15 to 20 people die from leopard attacks each year, mainly in rural areas where leopards live. The Cape buffalo is a large, aggressive animal found in sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of the big 5 animals that hunters target, but it is also known for being extremely dangerous. Cape buffaloes are unpredictable and will attack if they feel threatened. They have sharp horns and can charge at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. If a buffalo feels cornered, it will attack without warning. Many attacks happen when people accidentally come too close to a buffalo or when hunters wound a buffalo and it fights back. Around 200 people are killed by Cape buffaloes each year, mostly in Africa. The box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous sea creatures in the world. It lives in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, including around Australia, Thailand, and the Philippines. The box jellyfish has long tentacles covered in tiny stingers that inject venom into its victims. The venom is extremely toxic and can cause intense pain, difficulty breathing, heart failure, and death within minutes. Box jellyfish stings are so dangerous that victims need medical treatment immediately. If untreated, the venom can paralyze muscles, including the heart and lungs, leading to death. Several dozen people die each year from box jellyfish stings, mostly in Southeast Asia and Australia. Sharks are large fish that live in oceans around the world. There are many species of sharks, but only a few are known to attack humans, including great white sharks, tiger sharks, and bull sharks. Most shark attacks happen when sharks mistake humans for seals or other prey. They bite using their sharp teeth, causing severe injury or death due to blood loss. Surfers, swimmers, and divers are most at risk, especially in areas where sharks hunt for food. Shark attacks are rare but can be fatal if the victim doesn't receive help quickly. On average, sharks kill about 10 people each year, but shark-related deaths are much less common than deaths caused by many other animals. Lions are powerful predators that live in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. They are part of the big cat family and are known as the king of the jungle because of their strength and dominance. Lions typically hunt large prey like zebras, antelopes, and buffalo, but they can also attack humans, especially in areas where people live close to lion habitats. Most lion attacks occur at night when lions are hunting, and they often ambush their prey. Lions use their powerful jaws to bite and kill quickly. Attacks on humans are usually a result of lions feeling threatened, or in rare cases, they become man-eaters. About 100 to 250 people are killed by lions each year, mostly in Africa. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and they live in Africa and parts of Asia. They are known for their intelligence, strong family bonds, and gentle nature, but they can be dangerous if they feel threatened or provoked. Elephants can weigh several tons and use their trunks, tusks, and feet to attack when they are angry or frightened. They can charge at high speeds, trampling or goring anyone in their path. Elephants often become aggressive when their habitat is destroyed or when they feel their young are in danger. In rural areas, where humans and elephants share the same space, conflicts are common. Each year, around 500 people are killed by elephants, mainly in Africa and India. Hippos are large, semi-aquatic mammals that live in rivers and lakes across Africa. While they may look slow and peaceful, They are extremely aggressive and can be very dangerous to humans. Hippos are territorial and will attack anyone who comes too close to their water. They have large, sharp teeth that can crush bones, and they can run quickly on land, even though they weigh several tons. Most attacks occur when people are fishing or using boats on rivers where hippos live. The hippos will often capsize boats or charge at people they see as threats. Around 500 people are killed by hippos each year, making them one of Africa's most dangerous animals. Crocodiles are large predatory reptiles that live in rivers, lakes, and swamps in Africa, Australia, Southeast Asia, and parts of the Americas. They are known for their strength, powerful jaws, and aggressive behavior. Crocodiles are ambush predators, waiting quietly in the water for prey to come close before lunging out to grab them. They can swim quickly and drag their prey underwater to drown them. Crocodiles often attack humans who come too close to their territory, such as fishermen, children, or people crossing rivers. These attacks are usually sudden and deadly. Crocodiles kill about 1,000 people every year. They are especially dangerous in places like the Nile River in Africa, where they live near human populations. Freshwater snails are found in lakes, rivers, and ponds in tropical areas, especially in Africa. They carry a parasite that causes a disease called schistosomiasis, also known as bilharzia. The parasite enters the human body through the skin when people wade or swim in contaminated water. Once inside, the parasites travel to the liver, intestines, and bladder, causing inflammation and damage to organs. Early symptoms include a rash, fever, and chills. Over time, schistosomiasis can cause liver damage, kidney failure, and bladder cancer. Around 10,000 people die from schistosomiasis each year, making it one of the deadliest parasitic diseases in the world. Improved sanitation, access to clean water, and snail control can reduce the spread of this disease. Assassin bugs, also known as kissing bugs, are found in Central and South America. They spread a deadly disease called Chagas disease, caused by a parasite called Trypanosoma cruzi. Kissing bugs get their name because they often bite people on the face, particularly around the mouth or eyes, while they sleep. After biting, the bug leaves feces on the skin which contains the parasite. The parasite enters the body through the bite wound, or when a person rubs their eyes or mouth. Chagas disease can cause swelling, fever, and digestive issues. Over time, it can lead to serious heart problems, including heart failure. Many people with Chagas disease don't show symptoms right away, but the disease can remain in the body for years, slowly damaging internal organs. Around 10,000 people die from Chagas disease each year. Tsetse flies are large, biting flies found in sub-Saharan Africa. They are known for spreading African trypanosomiasis, also called sleeping sickness. When a tsetse fly bites, it injects parasites into the blood. In the early stages, sleeping sickness causes fever, headaches, and joint pain. Over time, the disease affects the central nervous system, leading to confusion, sleep disturbances, and death. The disease is common in rural areas where tsetse flies live near livestock and humans. Sleeping sickness is difficult to treat and can be fatal if not treated quickly. Around 10,000 people die from this disease each year. Efforts to control tsetse flies include using traps, insecticides, and clearing vegetation where the flies live. Dogs are often referred to as man's best friend, but they are also responsible for spreading rabies, a deadly virus that affects the brain. Most cases of rabies are transmitted through dog bites, especially in countries where vaccination programs are limited. Rabies causes inflammation of the brain and nervous system. Symptoms include fever, confusion, excessive salivation, fear of water, and violent behavior. Once symptoms appear, rabies is almost always fatal. Vaccinating dogs and immediate treatment after a bite can prevent rabies, but many people in poorer areas cannot afford vaccines. Each year, between 25,000 and 35,000 people die from rabies, mainly in Asia and Africa. Snakes are reptiles found all over the world, except in Antarctica. While many snakes are harmless, some species have venom that can kill humans. Venomous snakes include cobras, vipers, rattlesnakes, and black mambas. Snake venom can cause neurotoxic effects, paralysis and difficulty breathing, hemotoxic effects, severe bleeding and tissue damage, or a combination of both. In areas like rural Africa, South Asia, and South America, many people are bitten while farming or walking through snake-infested areas. Symptoms of a venomous bite include intense pain, swelling, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, death. Without quick access to anti-venom, a treatment for snake venom, many bites are fatal. It's estimated that snake bites kill between 50,000 and 100,000 people each year. While many animals kill humans, humans themselves are responsible for a large number of deaths through violence. Each year, around 400,000 people die due to homicides or violent conflicts. This includes murders, wars, terrorist attacks, and other forms of violent crime. Wars can cause large-scale deaths as they involve fighting between nations or groups, often over resources, religion, or political power. Criminal violence includes murders and other forms of violent crime. Many factors contribute to homicides, such as poverty, inequality, and access to weapons. Efforts to reduce violence include promoting peace, improving economic conditions, and providing better access to education and healthcare. Mosquitoes are tiny, flying insects, but they are responsible for the most human deaths worldwide. They breed in standing water, like ponds, puddles, or even containers left outside. The female mosquito bites humans and animals to feed on blood, which she needs to produce eggs. During this bite, mosquitoes can transmit deadly diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, and West Nile virus. Malaria is caused by parasites that are injected into the bloodstream through the mosquito's saliva. It causes fever, chills, and fatigue. If untreated, it can lead to organ failure and death, especially in children and pregnant women. Dengue fever causes severe flu-like symptoms, including intense muscle and joint pain, and can lead to internal bleeding or death in severe cases. Mosquitoes thrive in warm and humid environments, and they are most active at dawn and dusk. Using mosquito nets, insect repellent, and removing stagnant water can reduce the risk of being bitten. And that's a wrap on today's video about the deadliest animals in the world. I hope you learned something new and gained a little more respect for the creatures we share this planet with. Remember, while some of these animals are dangerous, they usually only attack when they feel threatened, or if we enter their territory. By being aware of our surroundings and respecting their space, we can avoid many dangerous situations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content about animals.